Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's do a quick health check on the stocks here. So we have Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Micron, and Intel are the ones we'll take a look at in this video. Now before going further, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. Just sharing my opinion, please do your own thing. Alright, so starting off with Tesla, as I have been saying, and again, you already know it if you have been seeing my videos, that overall structure on Tesla is bearish, and we are still bearish, guys. And as for what I mentioned, that take that just as a rebound, and that was just a rebound. As you can see, we are already now coming back down in the overall structure that is still taking precedence. At this point, our technical target remains 326, retest of that. Right now, yeah, Tesla is full on bearish. And also on the hourly interval, we couldn't do much. Well, when I say we couldn't do much, I mean that price didn't do much. We still rejected through that and into that blue box and are continuing lower from thereafter. Right over here, you can see we're still rejecting that pretty much, and thus still keeping a lower high. And as you are aware, I mentioned that that was a good rebound, and that was it, guys. Okay, so it's more apparent, like for today, 5 minutes interval, it was a definitely a short day trade. So let's turn on my another tool here real quick, and you can see that we started the day bearish pretty much, and this was the whole move for the short play today. You can see my tools helps you in understanding all of that. Broke the cloud, came down. Yeah, a little bit rebound is coming here, but that is also over. Again, rebound or pullbacks, you just don't know how much that would come because overall structure will take precedence, right? And so yeah, Tesla, guys, I'll do a video over the weekend as well when the market has closed, but right now, yeah, we are the rebound that completed here itself, right? Then we went into the distribution phase. We lost the significant levels, and this zone also that was important. We couldn't regain any of that, and as I said, Tesla will remain weak. The only good next move would be after this rebound if we get above 362. That never happened hereafter, and you can see we are just collapsing. And as I said, $326 is the technical target. Let's see what happens if and once we get there. Even any rebound from here comes until 348. Now it will just be a rebound. Overall structure will remain just still in the negative trend, and also on the hourly interval in a overall negative trend. So yeah, and as you know, 275 is the one that I'm really interested in to see if Tesla can get there. All right, we have Nvidia also. Again, whole market is today selling off, but the thing is that overall structure on Nvidia, I'm not bearish on this thing though. We'll have to take it just as a pullback still until this zone of 133 and 92 cents area. I'm not too worried in the overall structure. Intraday, again, yes, we couldn't hold on to the levels, and especially once we break the levels below, well, 130 and 75, since we are continuing lower, it didn't go without a fight there. All right, it did try its best, but I'm on the 5 minutes interval, but it eventually gave up, and you can see level by level, then resistance kept happening, and then we just continued to collapse. So it tried its best, don't get me wrong, it tried its best, but couldn't. So overall structure, not too worried on this thing, but yeah, and intraday short or cool off that's coming, it has a room to continue lower at least to, well, 133 area. And we'll see what eventually happens, but right now, intraday, we are already negative. Overall, as I said, I'm not too worried on Nvidia as long as we maintain above around this $132 to $133 area, all right? We'll still have to take it that as a overall pullback. AMD, on the other hand, is losing that 112 and 80 cents area, the very area that I mentioned that as long as we are above it, I would consider it that it's still been fine, but not anymore. And 5 minutes interval today did try for a couple of times, many minutes, like let's turn on my tools, it did try, like you can see, we were green. It was trying, and once the structure broke, no point in trying to play that long, short it, and you can see the technically you can make money on both sides, right? And my tools helps in all of that, and AMD is just complete bloodbath after that. And if you need access to my tools, guys, check out the links in the description of this video together with 50 plus stocks coverage as well, if all this interests you. So yeah, right now AMD is unstoppably going down. Right now it has taken out all the strength, and as I pointed out yesterday, that we are running into a supply zone. We have lost the reference line. We are running into the supply zone, and unfortunately, that supply zone acted today, and it just didn't act. It also lost the significant levels, level by level, and definitely after losing 112, that's a big problem. Yeah, AMD is again full on in the downtrend, and right now, no. Well, I'll talk about over the weekend as well at the market close. We still have around 2 hours, but right now, no. This, yeah. Now we just coming down now, right? So, yeah. Unfortunately, that's the problem right now. All right, let's take a look at SMCI. And again, so well, SMCI is technically fine. It's just selling off with the overall market. Overall structure is bullish still, guys. And any of the levels below 50, like overall above $50, we are just fine. Overall structure, and even 54.23 now, we are just fine until then. Intraday, yes, we do have a weakness today, but well, just because whole market is selling off, but it's not in that dire situation like we have AMD especially, or Tesla, right? It's just like Nvidia right now. It's just doing a pullback. But the thing is that intraday weakness can continue on this now as we stay below 58 and 88 cents. As long as we stay below this zone now, intraday weakness may continue on this thing, okay? So, and then, but overall, as I said, I'm not too worried on this, but intraday, yes, we are cooling off. So, yeah. And that's fine. After these runs up, breaking the levels, reaching the next levels areas, these pullbacks are fine. They are expected. And yeah, especially when the whole market is selling off. An ARM. So ARM is, guys, in the downtrend already. I have mentioned that 157 and 70 cents below will be remaining in the downtrend and weakening. We are still weakening. Right now, there is no uptrend on this thing. It's just overall also negative and bearish. Micron. Well, and this is why sometimes I just don't like Micron. It's such a massive, dramatic stock. Well, technically, take it more than just a pullback at this point. Definitely, we lost one of the levels, 109 and 90 cents. Once we lost it, well, unfortunately, at least the next level is we're coming down to. And no, it's not. Yeah, that was its move. And yeah, sure, you can still take it as, oh, it's just a pullback. But Micron, what I don't like about Micron is it's all over the place. All right, it's just been range bound, and it's always all over the place. Anyways, intraday, we never got above the blue box. That was the area I was wanting to see it get above for an uptrend. We didn't get above that, lost the level below. So it's a downtrend intraday at least. So yeah, quite a dramatic sell-off. Intel, so yesterday it found a bounce. Technically, it's still fine. I'm not too worried. Well, 24 and 64 cents is that area, but overall structure, if we lose it, yes, more problem. But right now, and intraday also, we lost this significant level, 25 and 57 cents. We need to regain it without breaking 24 and 64 cents. If from right away here, we want to continue in an uptrend. Otherwise, which may pretty much would not happen today, but we'll see if it happens on Monday. But anyhow, if we lose 24 and 65 cents, then there's just more lingering weakness on the overall structure as well. All right, that's all I had for you guys in this video. I just wanted to do a quick health check on the market with you guys here, and then I'll talk about other stocks as well, and these as well over the weekend, and maybe later today as well. All right, see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.